Hi, it's Phil from Philips Dynalite. In this video, we are going to talk about the public holiday feature in System Manager. So if I go to Site Settings and Public Holidays, I can configure updates. I can add them manually, but I can also use an ICS file. Here you can see I'm using one from the UK government, and this will import public holidays for England and Wales. So if I say download now, it will download that. And then if I say import, here are all the public holidays. Now I could modify them. Obviously I can set some for reoccurring and so on and so forth. Some are unique, obviously. It only goes to 2025 because that is what the file that I'm pointing at does. Now, you need to find the source file for this. It's online, so the machine needs to be online. And you want if you can find a source file that is maintained and updated, that's ideal, because you do have an option here to create a schedule. And I can sync this so every so many months we get the latest file. What I can then do is in my schedules, I can manage my schedules based on public holidays. So that public holiday function will allow me to say on public holidays, don't do this, don't run this schedule, or on public holidays, do run this schedule. As I said, you can add them manually yourself. This is a fast way of auto-populating them, and it's just an extension of the schedule function within System Manager. Thanks very much for your time. Look forward to talking to you soon.